Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale the future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind for the last time. Wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow.
Alright guys, so that's the new look for the BRZ. We finally have a nurse spec wing on the car. I got rid of the carbon fiber trunk, so this is the new look of the car. I am very satisfied with the way that this looks. Huge shout out to Crolls Customs for doing the paint job on this. They painted the wing, they painted the trunk, and it just came out very well. Their paint job is very good. If you ever need any work done, definitely I would recommend going to them. They're in Slatington, PA. But the work is phenomenal. I love the way that it turned out. I want to thank this guy and this guy over here. He drove the car for the video, so you guys can actually see the car, because, you know, roller shots are cool. And then Corey boy over here, I rode along in his 5.0 Mustang. If you guys want to see a review of that car, like this video, because, you know, reviews are fun. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like the new look of the car. I've been in love with it. The carbon fiber trunk is for sale. I have it on Craigslist, but there are cracks in the resin, so I mean, if anyone does want to buy it, just keep that in mind. But that's the new look of the car. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.